A top advisor to President Trump warned his White House colleagues in late January that the novel coronavirus could claim the lives of more than 500,000 Americans and cost the United States trillions of dollars, according to reports late on Monday in Axios and The New York Times. In two memos that circulated around the West Wing, trade advisor Peter Navarro made grim predictions about the virus's potential toll on the United States, raising doubts about whether Trump knew more about the outbreak than he had acknowledged publicly at the time. The lack of immune protection or an existing cure or vaccine would leave Americans defenseless in the case of a full-blown coronavirus outbreak on U.S. soil, a January 29 memo to the National Security Council said. This lack of protection elevates the risk of the coronavirus evolving into a full-blown pandemic, imperiling the lives of millions of Americans. Trump initially played down the risk of the virus, more recently claiming that no one could have predicted such a devastating outcome on the economy and the nation's health. But Navarro appears to have done exactly that. The administration faced a choice about how aggressive to be in containing an outbreak, Navarro said in the memo, while pushing for immediate restrictions on travel coming from China. Shortly after the memo was written, Trump imposed a travel ban and assembled his White House task force to handle the coronavirus outbreak. But it would be weeks before any dramatic steps were taken to curtail the spread of the virus, even as officials like Navarro believed that the outbreak could become far deadlier and far costlier than what the president acknowledged in public.